In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your webcam not working in Discord. So if you're having any kind of camera issues, maybe it's not loading or it's lagging or it's just not working in general, then I'm going to show you a few ways we can go and solve this issue. Now, the very first thing you need to do is open up the start menu on your computer, and then you can go and click on this settings window here. From the left-hand side, go and click on privacy and security, and then you need to scroll down to the camera and click on this. Now make sure camera access is turned on and enabled. Make sure let apps access your camera is also turned on. And then if you see Discord in this list of applications, you also need to make sure it's switched on from here as well. You can then scroll down to let desktop apps access your camera. This also needs to be turned on. And once you've done that, you can go and close out of this window. Now the next step is to open back up the start menu, search for device manager and click on this window here. You can then click on the drop down arrow next to cameras and you should see your webcam from the list. If you don't see it, you can click on view and select show hidden devices. Once you've found your webcam, we can right click on it and press disable device and then press yes. You then need to go in re-enable this by right clicking and selecting enable device. Now once you've done this, we're going to open up Discord. From the Discord app, click on settings in the bottom left side. You can then scroll all the way down to voice and video, click this. You can then click on the video tab. Now scroll down to where it says camera and click on the drop down arrow. Make sure you have the correct webcam selected. So mine is this one here, but yours is probably called something else. You can click on always preview video, make sure this is turned on, and then you can press the test video button to test to see if your webcam is working. You may also need to scroll down to the bottom of the page and you can try turning off video hardware acceleration and just press OK, as sometimes this setting can actually cause the webcam not to work. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful and I'll see you with the next one.